famous for their many arms, and most can even grow a new arm if they lose one.
The Marine Life Institute houses many aquatic species, including fish from the wild who need our help, like the group we found in the bay, floating in plastic bags. For these, we remember the 3 R's: rescue, rehabilitate, and...
Really? Today is the day! Well, why don't we tell them? What? Don't tell it back. I'll tell it back.
Let's stand up! These travels have come a long way, and they deserve a good story. So, we're gonna do this the way we do everything. Together. And we'll all start it! Part scary? Oh no! Here I go! Nope. It all started with a little clownfish named Nemo. Nemo!
Dad! It's time for school!
Alright, we're excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. We're ready to learn to get some knowledge.
Come on! Hey, Dad, wouldn't it be cool if I maybe met a shark when I'm in school?
No.
Or an angelfish. It's a true thing happens. Can you believe there are so many things? The big blue world. I'm gonna go explore the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea. The big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of.
Hey, Nemo, do you know how old sea turtles are?
Sea turtles. Well, if I ever need one, I'll ask him.
Me too. Maybe I'll need a sea turtle and a shark.
I know you're excited, but let's take a little pause. Sharks are not our friends, Nemo. Haven't you seen Jaws?
What?
You don't want to be a swordfish. You don't want to be a whale.
I want to be a whale.
You need me around to watch your tail in the big blue world. Just don't be a fish in the big blue world. Isn't as a tasty dish means so much to me. I don't know what I can do in this dentist boat.
What's that? Let's spread out and touch it. Yeah, come on, Nemo. Let's listen to the scene.
Nemo, no! You can't be anywhere near here. You're out there comes right. We'll for school again next year. You know that you can't swim well. No, you can't. Now come along. You think you can do these things with me? Come on.
I hate you.
And with that, Nemo did swim right toward that boat.
What's up that guy from here?
But Nemo was gone.
It's gone. Okay, hi. Does anybody see a boat? Please, please, they took my son. I'm coming, Nemo!
Sorry, sir.
Help, help! He's got my son. He's got Nemo. Have you seen a boat?
A boat?
Yeah.
I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Thank you.
Do you mind?
What?
Well, I'm trying to swim here.
We're trying to find Nemo. You were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat? I've seen a boat. No.
Wait, we already did this.
We did? Oh dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
Oh, something's wrong with you. Really, you're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico?
Nemo.
Well, hi.
Mine's Bruce.
Well, I'm Dory, and this
No,
is...
you don't need to.
I'd like to invite you to a little party, young man.
Like every first night. First, yeah.
Couple of tasty bites. Right then, our meeting has officially come to order. Let us all sign the pledge. Fish are friends.
Fish are friends.
Fish are friends.
Not food. That way, every long shark tank. Where my sharks underneath. We know that fish are friends, not food.
Well, sometimes we know.
Sure, we could reach you home, but we have self-control. We know that fish are friends, not food.
I'd like to be your friend.
The stress of life in the ocean, the joy and motion of eating. When you need help getting through it, and help is gonna do it. Don't start feeding, swim your feeding. Variously seen alive. Each day we fight the fight to curb our appetite and change our attitude. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Fish are friends.
Fish are food.
Now fish are friends, not food.
We look balloons. It is a party.
Mind your distance now. Wouldn't want one of them to pop.
Ow! Oh, you really clocked me there.
I'm sorry. Hey, here's your nose bleeding. Good.
Hands up, man!
Little taste. Why let them go away?
Remember, fish are friends.
I need some food.
That's the mask on the diver they took my son. One of these monkeys made at every human.
Escape. Well, that's not the same as escape.
Look, you can read.
I can't.
Read the mask.
I've got you in my sight. Extra life. Reach from away. Not food.
Is it safe? Whew. Well, we made it to the We weren't gonna let him go belly up. I had a plan.
Dad?
Hey, kid, you'll get back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free.
But I don't swim well. I've got a bad fin.
One bad fin has never stopped me.
Your escape plans never work, Gil.
But this time, we got him. I promise we will all get out as long as we can swim together. We swim together.
Cooperation is the secret to our success. Yeah, we swim in harmony and we study dentistry. We're the fish upon ocean and
Sharkbait, you're one of us now. We can't send you off to your death. Dory's coming in 5 days. But you'll be long gone by then. We all will. If we do this the way we do everything else.
little mountains, you're our ticket to bring it free.
And if we all join hands, everybody wins, and we'll swim together in the open sea.
So what's your name, kid?
I'm Nemo.
Our escape plan was set.
Yeah, too bad it didn't work.
No, we just had to find another way. Remember, all trains lead to the ocean. And speaking of the ocean, Nemo's dad was still out there trying to find him.
Yeah, there was one big problem. The mask. I can't believe it's gone. That mask was the only chance I had of finding my son.
Harpo?
Nemo.
Well, Mr. Grumpy Bills. Life's full of little spills. Don't throw your fits up in disgust. Oh, what's the use of floating there? Not going anywhere. So wish your tail and dive on in. And trust that if you just keep swimming, life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming, What do we do?
We swim.
Right.
Oh, no, no singing, no singing. No singing. You know, that's all getting stuck in my head.
There's a shiny thing. Hey, that looks interesting.
Please, Dory, try and stay on task.
If this peach steering me to all of me wasting, I guess it's nothing.
No, Dory, that's the mask.
Hey, we did it!
Yeah, but now what? We don't know how to get there.
So our guts.
What?
Just keep swimming. Everything will be okay. See, just keep swimming. Your tail and sure will find our way. Oh, sometimes things look bad, then poof, the moment is gone. And what do? We just keep swimming on. Do you touch your booty twice?
Please, wait. Okay. Excuse me. Hey, I'm looking for my son.
Follow me, wait.
You're a strong swimmer. Let's go. Can I talk to you?
Follow me, wait.
Hey, lady, is this guy bothering you?
What? Remember? Were you?
No. Can you guys tell me I'm
Well,
sure
talking to the lady.
Fine.
Go easy on him, fellas. He lost his son, Fabio.
Nemo.
Any of you heard Peachy reporting to you all the way, Sydney?
Sydney?
Yeah.
What you want to do is follow the EAC. It's an East Australian current. The current canvassing. It's in that direction.
Just keep swimming.
And that's the way it's gonna punch your right back, Sydney.
To Sydney!
So, Marlin and Dory were headed to the EAC.
If we only knew. Because back in the tank, Nemo was losing hope that his dad was even out there at all.
Not my dad. He's not brave enough. He's afraid of whales and sharks and stuff.
was coming.
At that very moment, Marlin and Dory found themselves cruising with a giant sea turtle. And it was, as the kids say, totally awesome.
You traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star.
Yeah, but
Exactly where you're meant to be. So grab some shell and certainly sea with me. Go in the
Marlin's journey traveled far and wide. The sea turtles told out his friends.
Who told the lobsters?
Who told the swordfish?
Who told the dolphins?
Who told the albatross?
Who told the pelicans?
Who flew that news right to our windowsill? Nemo! Did you hear? Your dad's been fighting the entire ocean looking for you.
My father? Really? I heard he's in Sydney Harbor right now. Wow! That's my dad. I'm with Papa Mom. Underneath, he's really brave and strong. He's on his way now, and I'm so glad. Another fish in the ocean.
Nemo, look out!
Yeah!
I'm so sorry.
It's over. I couldn't. I'm going home now.
Wait, where are you going?
Dory. If it wasn't for you, I never would have made it here. So thank you.
Wait, stop! No one's ever stuck with me for so long before. Please don't go away. Please.
Nemo!
And you are?
Mrs. Dory, see, I was flying you. I thought I lost you. I saw you belly out.
I was pretending so they flushed me down the drain.
Thank goodness you're sick.
Dad, I didn't hate you.
No. So sorry, Nemo. Hey, guess what? I met a sea turtle. He's 150.
150? Wow. So tell me, Dad, what's it like to cross an entire sea?
Son, I don't know. Let's go home together. Then you'll tell me.
Wanna make it free?
So, Nemo and his dad were finally reunited, and inspired by Nemo's big escape, we hitched our own ride out of the tank on the Plastic Bag Express, and that's how we